Alright guys, this is the location for the excavation site lost sector. For my loadout I am using Stasis, specifically the dark field grenade. It really helps a lot while clearing the champions. In the primary slot I am using ignition code with the blinding grenade. With the blinding grenade perk you can blind the enemies and the boss specifically. I am using scout rifle from the Vault of Glass and the specific perk is Firefly. When I am killing the enemies with precision final blows, it will deal damage to the nearby enemies. And in the heavy slot I am using Anarchy. For the mods I am using the unstoppable grenade launcher. I am using 2 grenade launchers so both of them can stun the champions. And I am also using the breach and clear so that when I am using the grenade launcher on the champions or on the boss, it will debuff them and it will deal more damage. On my class item I am using breach and clear, it takes 9 slots. On my leg I am using 2 grenade launcher scavenger with high energy fire so that when I am charged with light I can deal more damage to the boss and the champions. And from the blast radius mod, if I get 2 kills from the grenade launchers, I will be charged with light and then I can use high energy fire. On my head armor I am using shield break charge so that when I am unshielding the boss or the champions I will be charged with light. And on my hand armor I am using the unstoppable grenade launcher which takes 7 slots. On my chest armor I am using sniper resistance and concussive dampener. Let's take a look at the gameplay. I am currently at 1322. The activity is 1340. If you are on higher light level, it will be much easier for you. In the entrance there is an unstoppable champion. You have to kill the champion in order to progress. If you can see any enemies on this ledge, kill them first. After you start killing few ads, that 2 antivirate champions will fall back to the ledge I showed you earlier. You have to kill the antivirate champions if they are on the ledge. After that, one unstoppable champion will try to rush you. Be careful because if you don't pay attention you will easily get killed. Kill all the enemies on the ledge first, then go for others. After that, 2 more unstoppable champions will spawn and they will try to rush you, so kill them fast, then clear the ads. The boss will have arc shield, so do some arc damage to destroy the shield. If you are using blinding grenades, the boss cannot even look at you, so it will become much easier to kill the boss easily. Thank you for watching.